The crypto direction has been confirmed, ladies and gentlemen. We have the confirmation we've been waiting for yesterday. I wanted to see a decent close above the 4-hour structure, therefore establishing the internal structure as well, addition to the external. We are in for a crazy ride. This is the time to really focus. This is the time to really look for the entries to take, and that's exactly what I'm going to talk to you about today. Other stuff as well. Obviously, we're going to look at the news as every day. I'm going to look at the market analysis. I'm going to look at Bitcoin, the total market cap, total 3. We're going to look at altcoins, what might rally. Then we're going to do some Q&A. It's right here. We're going to do some Q&A, which will be about, you can ask any questions about the show, about trading, about basically anything else. You know, we can talk about my underwear as well. You know, that's just what it is. And then we're gonna have some token requests up here. You can let me know what tokens you want me to look at, and that's how the show will go. Guys, massive show. This is the time to look for longs. This is the time to load up on everything. We have to see some confirmations, and that's what we're gonna talk about. We have a little bit of cool down on the market right now at this second, but I think we are super duper close to getting the perfect entries. And I will give you an opportunity to trade with me. It's gonna be a big announcement. Actually, I actually want to ask you for a favor, so it's gonna be very interesting. Stick through. Very important, before I deep dive into the show, the content of this show is for informational and entertainment purposes only, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing is financial advice, even though it might seem like it sometimes, if you know what I mean. But it's not. It's definitely not. You do you, I do me. I just share. I'm just coming here having fun, and then, you know, we do whatever we want. If we make money, we make money. If not, that's fine as well. Let's jump into the show. Number one, what I want to see, I want to give you a big round of applause because we hit 11,283 subscribers. Absolutely incredible. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you are missing out. Please smash that subscribe button. Like this show as well if you want me to do more shows. We have 160 people watching and 77 watching. So please obliterate that like button. It takes you a second and helps the channel massively. And if you are rewatching the whole show, I want you to know that there is a subscribe button just like down there. You can just click on that, you subscribe, and you can use the timestamps below because we have that as well. Let's jump into the show, guys. Number one, we're going to talk about the news. Job openings, actual 8,059,000, expected 8.35, and prior 8.48. Now, this is the new job openings that's been happening in the States. Why is this interesting? Because if we've got jobs going up, that means that the economy is booming, and that means that monetary policy or tightening is required by the Fed. But the fact that we see the expected was 8.3 million and it came in at about 8 million, that is an extremely big difference. And that can tell us that the market is in fact cooling off. And that means that eventually this can push the Fed to cut rates. And if rate cuts come, the market will incredibly rally. And especially it's lining up with elections very, very nicely. So this is a very good news, very great catalyst for the upcoming leg that we're gonna see. ETF inflows. Always I start with the positive news. I don't know if you've seen that, but I always start with the positive news. We want to be, you know, positive, and then we have to talk about all the shit as well that's going on. But let's talk about the positive first. Bitcoin ETF inflows in US dollar millions. We're looking at $886 million worth of inflows into these ETFs only yesterday alone. Now, why is this interesting? It's interesting because the big guys are back in the game. TradeFi is back in the game, and almost $1 billion worth of inflows. It is being settled on T+23, so that means that the inflows that we see here will reflect on price action in the coming days. Absolutely incredible and great news. On another great news, VanEck CEO Bitcoin says that Bitcoin will eventually become at least half the market cap of gold. Now, if we look at half the market cap of gold, which is at 15.7 trillion, Bitcoin is at 1.4 trillion or 1,400 billion. You know, the math is like lining up. But anyway, we're looking at a 6x prediction from the VanEck CEO, which is crazy. Like, even if you think about it, 6x from here would put Bitcoin at around $7.88 trillion. Absolutely insane. But we're talking about all this adoption. We're talking about, you know, we're talking about the 𝗕𝗥𝗢𝗡, and we're talking about the half, claiming half of the market cap of gold, but retail is not here yet. That's what 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗡 is suggesting here. He's saying Bitcoin above 70,000 and views to these crypto YouTube channels are at $800,000 a day compared to 4 million a day in 2024, peak of the bull market. He collected all the major YouTube channels. We've got our channel here as well, Crypto Banter, where we see here, obviously lining up pretty nicely. Anyway, so what I wanted to say here is that retail is not even close to being here. So it's basically what happens now is that the big guys are buying the early adopters Bitcoin, right? And then we'll dump on real retail. So you guys are still very, very early. We're looking at a decent price action coming up. I genuinely think that we can see at least a 2-3x even in Bitcoin in this rally. Obviously, a lot of things will be decided by the elections, and a lot of things will be decided whether the economy is, heading to a massive dump or hard landing. We're going to talk about that in a second. BNB breaks 100 billion market cap. I mean, give it up to BNB. Everybody was burying BNB when we were buying it. Everybody was burying it, saying BNB is dead, 𝗔𝗔𝗢𝗢𝗙 is going to jail, BNB is going to be done for. Now, obviously, I don't think that this is like, BNB can potentially go, do another 2x here, but it's already massive compared to the size of Binance. I do think that as regulations come in, Binance is massively regulated, obviously, because of their beef with the SEC and the settlement of the SEC. But as this thing progresses, I do think that BNB has a little bit more space to go. I would not buy now. I don't think that this is the best play, but it's definitely showing strength in Binance. And this is actually, for me, honestly, it's a big fuck you from Binance, for everybody who was like fudding them 8 months ago, 6 months ago, after the FTX collapse and whatever. So big ups for them. On another good news, GOTBIT partners with GUMMY on Solana. GUMMY, our GUMMY. We love our GUMMY. GOTBIT partners. And what is interesting here, GOTBIT, great market makers, marketing company, massive reach, great centralized exchange listings, potentially coming. I don't know anything. I'm just saying what I'm interpreting from this. And what is interesting here and worth to mention is this. After a long time working on a stealth mode, we finally announced our partnership. GUMMY all-time high is at level of 230 million. We talked about this, 230 million. The token is already listed on Bybit and is definitely not a limit. So what they're saying is that GUMMY is listed 230 mil market cap. Let's look at this. I'm gonna look at the charts later, but I just wanna show you that we're about 90 million right now. So we're talking about 100% here. I told you on Thursday, did we get the clip? I told you on Thursday to load up on GUMMY. Ren was warning you to load up on GUMMY. We're looking at a 50-60% since yesterday alone. So it's absolutely massive. Very happy to have GOTBIT on. GUMMY is going places, I think. Ripple CEO Brand says he expects spot XRP ETFs in 2025. Now, the reason why this is gonna be good, and hold on to your pants because this is gonna be a funny one, is because now they can justify why they are trading like a general, TradeFi asset. Very funny. So like for the XRP community, now you will be able to justify why your asset is trading like shit. That's it. Now, here's the thing. Jensen is like, he's the CEO of NVIDIA. And he's signing a women's bra. I mean, if this is not a top signal, I don't know what is. We literally live in a simulation. When have you seen the CEO of Microsoft, the CEO of Apple, signing a bra? It's crazy. It's just absolutely crazy. And now let's talk a little bit about the crazy stuff, because there are some crazy things to talk about. But what is making me actually pretty sad, we need a sad music. We need a sad music, like and then I'll just put myself in like being sad when I don't get enough likes. That's what we're gonna do. Anyway, what is making me sad is that we have 278 people watching. That's making me very happy. Heads up for you guys. But we only have 126 likes, which is making me sad, which is like, I'm crying now. And I wanna give this to everybody who didn't like. And I'm gonna do it again. And we could do like a fart sound as well. But please guys, seriously, I give this free offer every single day for you guys. The only thing I'm asking you is just to smash the like button. The algo picks it up and we'll live for the algos. Oh, and I see the likes coming in by tenth of thousands of likes. Thank you guys, but really, this just really makes sense. I really appreciate it if you just smash the like button. And yeah, of course, I'm watching you, so fucking smash the like button. Okay, I'm not kidding. I'm not fucking around here. let's move on. So let's talk about the bad stuff, shall we? Let's talk about the bad stuff. The US economy, good luck, first of all. But other than that, the US economy now has 63 banks on the brink of default, over $500 billion on paper losses, declining GDP, over 50% of Americans believe we are in a recession, lowest mortgage demand in over 30 years, and a record, and this is like, you have to fucking hold on to your pants. This is crazy. 17.7 trillion in total household debts. We're talking about mortgage, we're talking about credit card debts. This is absolutely fucking insane. That's 17 times, let's say 13 times the total market size of crypto. Like every money in crypto, everything in crypto, you multiply that with 13 and you get the debt that the average American people have. It's just up. If you don't realize that you're being by the system, I can't help you. Now this is, I just have to bring this here. This is, yesterday we had this Pride Month and whatnot, and you know, we had this controversial thing. My cousin's like, oh my God, what are we gonna talk about now? Anyway, so if you look at this, I'm not itching, but this freaking microphone, what is it? I don't even understand what's happening here. We need to fix this shit. Anyway, I'm going to get it. Oh, by the way, for everybody who's following the show for quite some time, my chair does this. Hold on. I don't know if you hear this, but it's crazy. It's like not a good chair. And I did not have a time to go and buy a chair for like 3 months, 2 months now. Literally. So today, not today, tomorrow, I'm going to buy a chair. So, and a new table and everything else. So on the news, this is the new president of Mexico. Like, you know, first of all, good luck. Good luck. Do whatever you want with this picture. But here's the interesting part. Here's where it gets very interesting. Check this. And this is no, oh my God, I don't have it here. What happened? This is what I was looking for. So this is no joke. This is like, it's not a simulation. This is no joke. Mexico, Claudia, can't pronounce her name, was elected the country's first female president. Female first president. After the bloody election campaign that saw 37 candidates assassinated. 37 candidates assassinated. That means, I don't even want to say what it means, but this girl got elected and 37 people who were running got assassinated. It's a proper election. I don't know what to tell you. Absolutely mind-blowing. Absolutely mind-blowing. All right, now here's the thing. Here's the thing, guys. Let's jump back in here. Here's the thing. I want to give you how you, like, I really need your help. I really do need your help. But I'll, like, first of all, I'm a little bit salty because I just realized a couple of days later that the banter team, Sheldon, Kyle, and Ren, they all have their own Bitget teams because there is a Bitget competition going on. And they didn't invite me to the party. So first of all, that hurts. And that's just for them. The second, Ren is calling me off my calls and whatever, and it's not working, and my trades are voodoo. That's what he's saying. So you know what? I'm just pulling the gloves on, and I'm gonna show everybody. So what we're gonna do, I don't have time. We have 1 day. I would have done a whole, you know, so there is this Bitget competition. I will show you now. And I would have done like a whole team and whatever, and we could have traded together. But I have literally 1 day to recruit people. Like they have hundreds of people in their squad now. So, and it is ROI based. So what I want to do, first of all, you can join any team you want. But what I want to do, and this is like, hear me out here. If you are a good trader, like you really are, you're following the stream, you've been learning for a while, you know, I'm not expecting you to make like hundreds of percentages every month, but if you are not losing, if you are a profitable trader, whether it's just 1 or 2 or 3%, doesn't matter. I want you to join my squad today, okay? Here's the thing. First of all, you can win $3 million. 60% of this will go to the winning team and whatnot, but I have one goal in this competition, one goal, to be the #1 squad within Banter. That's just what I want. I want to be Ren, I want to be Kyle, I want to be Sheldon. That's all I want, okay? So we have 1 day. I don't know how many people we can gather, but if you are a great trader, if you are considering, you know, if you are like a profitable trader, just barely profitable, or if you're very good, I invite you to join my squad. I have a squad. I made this now, literally like 5 minutes before it got approved. Thank you. Shout out to Bitget, by the way. Shout out to Bitget for arranging this. Oh, I'm not sharing my screen. Shout out to Bitget, but I do have this team here. Now this is password protected, so you can't just join the squad. And the reason is because I'm late. So like I have 1 day and I just don't want to have quantity of people coming in. What I want to do, I want to have the perfect team and I want to execute. So I already talked to my trader friends. Some of my trader friends are fucking good. We're going to have a crazy good squad. If you want to join, what I want you to do, I want you to send me a Twitter DM, okay? I want you to send me a Twitter DM. If you can't send me a Twitter DM, comment under this YouTube video how I can find you on Twitter. I will reach out, but please don't waste each other's time. Make sure that if you're a profitable trader and if you think that you can contribute to this team, please, please, please let me know in the comment section. Come and send a DM to me and I will add you. I will send you the link and I'll add you to the team, okay? So someone is asking, Mark is asking how much would it give? It's actually, you can trade with $10. You have to have, I think, $10, maybe $100 in your account, but it's not on the amount of money we make. It's the total P&L, percentage P&L. So if you go in, I loaded up with $1,000, but if you go in and load up with $100, I generally don't like competitions because a lot of times what happens is that I just want to win because I'm very competitive and I go like 50x leverage and I go up on the leaderboard and then I just blow the whole account. But this time I want to do different because I know they're going to blow some of their accounts as well. So what I want to do is that we need a team that is capable of pulling on great percentages, and it's a futures competition, yes, derivatives trading, and it's based on P&L. So if you have $100 and if you make $50, that's a 50% P&L added to the group's percent P&L, okay? So I need you on this. I really need, it's not a shill, it's not a, I actually have a Bitget link down in the description, but it's not a shill, it's not whatever. The competition, to join the competition, send me a DM, send me an email, reach out in the comments if you're a profitable trader, and I will get you in on the squad. I want the best of you. And every money we make from this, every money I make from this, if we make any money, I'll give it away for the community, okay? So that's just that. Let me look at the chat real quick. Is it possible to join? You can join the team with any Bitget account. I appreciate if you use my link, but you can join with any Bitget account. It doesn't have to be any, like you have to join, you can join with any Bitget account. I'm in, bruv. Mark, that's what's up. Good luck. Thank you so much. I need one soul to get on track. Kyle, you know it's very hard to beat Sheldon. I'm not Kyle, but it's very hard to beat Sheldon. We'll see. They go for quantity and you go for quality. Great move, Fefe. You know, I would have loved to involve all of you, but they didn't invite me, so now I have to prove. Rand did not leave me any other option than to go full beast mode. He didn't, so I'm literally like, no other option. I want to join. Cool, send me a DM on Twitter, okay? Minimum is $100 in the account. Okay, great. Let's bang. Okay. I quit casting for you. I don't know if you can do that, but if you're good, do whatever it takes, guys. We gotta do. I'm in Sheldon's team. Sorry for you. Fefe to the moon. I want to join. Cool, join. They're scared of you. No, they are not. They are not. They just, Rand literally said, you know, there is no reason. We didn't want our average to go down. We didn't want our average P&L to go down. So that just ignited a fire in me. And literally, if I beat Rand on the competition, I'm happy. I'm happy. Like, I'm a happy man. Twitter DM is out. Cool. Carlo, I will look at it. Good morning, the best YouTube channel. Love you, mate. I hope my wife don't read this. I'm in for sure. Gene, this guy who I just put up, we have to make him mod. We have to make him mod. You can do it with right click and just make him mod on YouTube. No, I have to crown you. I have to crown you here. Okay, I'll do it now. Gene, you've been here for a very long time and you reached out and I actually need some Gene, great people on here. So you've been here. I'm gonna scroll back and officially I'm gonna crown you as a moderator on this channel. Give it up for Gene for becoming a moderator. Give it up, 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 give it up. Good job. So thank you for being here. You are a moderator now. I'm happy to have you here. Bullish on blockchain is joining. Great. Investport of Cake Daily Pump. I believe you can win. We gotta. I have literally 1 day, so I don't have high hopes, but could no sign up banter issues. I don't know what that means. FETCH teams always win. Okay, we can look at the chat. Gene, people are congratulating for you. It's very good. It's very good. Okay, let's look at the market. And then let's do some, or let me do some Q&A now, because I think we need it. Let me read some comments now, okay? I just want to read some comments because I want you to, like, if there is anything you want to say about the competition or anything you just want to, ask, we should do it now. And then I look at the market. I see that we are having a little bit of rebounds here, which is fine. But I do think that we still have some time to get this a little bit lower, and then we can get some great entries. But I want you guys to start asking questions. Okay. Thank you guys. Welcome to the FETCH. Welcome. Late night again. That's what's up. Congrats, Gene. Fefe, how are those DMs, brother? Let me look at them. I don't dare to open my DMs now, but I can open them here until we wait for the comments to come in. Nice. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people already. 8, 9. Nice. We need 10 people, and we need it in 10 days. So I've got my buddies coming in as well. Why is this chat thing is so slow? Note it down. We have to double check why is this so slow. Bitget KYC. Yes, Bitget is KYC. When? It's coming now. My cousin's on the chat as well. GM Fefa, I only want 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢 bitch in my wallet. 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗢 never lose. Send 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗢 to the moon. I agree with you. Everyone's taking their gummy. Here we go. GM Fefa, I only want 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗢. Okay, I just read that. Please, for the meme giveaway, give out, just tell me when to trade and I'll do a 50x for the team. Yeah, but the problem is you can also pull down the average. That's the problem. Do you know when is gummy Bybit distribution? I don't. I can ask. Last time I traded a cow or some magic beans. Is gummy price action good before big airdrop? I think so. Every day is a good day. Fefe on one coin for the whole cycle. Go. 𝗕𝗘𝗘𝗢. LFGO. Shout out to these guys. They are absolute fucking crazy. I'll talk about them. Love the show. I love you back. What's your 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢 price target? Moon. Solsex. Solana on Solana. Any ideas? We can look at that as well. Kaspa meme coins gonna be huge. I'm actually gonna do a show on Kaspa meme coins. Kaspa, the integration is coming. It's like 14% left, I think. So we are going to look about it. Can you press the 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢 button for Mrs.? We love you, the show, and especially 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢. Investport on Cake Daily. I already have a Bitget account. Is it important to use your link? No, just if you want to trade and if you're a good trader, come and join my team. Kaspa, sold to 200 easy. SUI and so long. SUI looks actually very good. What are your hot narratives? Don't really have narratives, but I'm going with memes. Kaspa memes can be big, huge. The Kaspa community is a cult, guys. It's a fucking cult. Sending love from the OG Brett. Nice. It's not if, it's when. Nice. Beer. Next big ticker, I don't know yet. What about 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗢? Of course. Just send Twitter DM. Are you going to do live trades for the biggest channels? Now here's the thing. I didn't even say this, but I'm going to do a Telegram. Like we have to do a Telegram to only get people in who are in my team. So that's how it's gonna go. It's like, if you want to be in the team, we're gonna do a Telegram. We're gonna trade the same things, and I'm not gonna talk about it on the show because I don't want to shield my beans. I don't want to, So we're gonna talk about some stuff, but I'm not gonna give you the fucking trades. I mean, not you, but I'm not gonna just give the trades away so people can just no. We compete. It's a competition. It became personal for me. Maga, cover LFGO, please. I will. How is your giveaway wallet, Sensei? I think it's like 120 something. Yes, do Telegram is nice. Yes, I will do. Let me look at it. Well, actually, someone, I don't know if I can tell who just texted me. I asked him why he doesn't have, it's 121,000. So I asked him why he doesn't have, okay, no, okay. Anyway, stop saying if you're a good trader. I just started trading last February. No, but this is, like, guys, I'm giving you everything free. Now I need something. I need the ones who have been here and watching this show and learning and actually can, do some trades and are there in the process. I want your help now. And we can win together. I'm gonna get some guys in from my network as well, so it's gonna be good. Kyle, the ticker is 𝗕𝗙𝗢𝗎𝗢. Dude, I'm not Kyle. I'm not Kyle, bro. Fefe is president of Finland, yes. I can't trade on Bitget with KYC thing. Futures trading is restricted for my region. Yeah, I'm sorry to hear. Guys, please smash the like. If we're gonna get to 250, I'm sounding like what a... I don't even want to say what. It starts with a G. Okay, I hope your team win. Me too. Why people call you Kyle? He's fat. That's what's up. Charts. The ticker is PIF. Put up a vote if they want to join my team. Let's do that. Whatever happens to Donald Trump, Inu. I didn't even know it existed. And there's no Donald Trump in me. Although there is a Donald Trump in all of us. When in Kyle, he's got a personality. Bro, he ain't Kyle, he got a personality. Ren buying, we love Kyle. Ren buying LFGO. Of course, people confused, Kyle, it's fair. If I open a trade today, should I close it for a challenge tomorrow? Yes, I think you should, Cake Boy. What's your opinion on Speedy? After Mentoshi, I have no opinion yet. I'm aiming for success in the crypto world and I'm counting on your assistance to get me there. I will get you there, trust me. Just subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. We are going to get there all together. GUMMY is mooning. BTC to 200k Trump. Yes. Bro, get Bluefin to do a competition. We can do an internal competition in Bluefin as well. Anytime. I can ring them and say we want an internal competition. I get your back with the best knowledge, which is most of you anyway. 𝗕𝗔𝗞𝗘 app coming out this week. Very bullish. We can look at it. Bro, I'm here every show, but I'm already in Sheldon's team. No problem. Have fun staying poor. What's your opinion on T-Mania? Good. Only our team. Our team is going to be the biggest one. Now I'm just joking, but we're going to be the most profitable one. It became personal, guys. No Bitget in US. Don't forget our 500 to 10,000 challenge. LFGO is pumping. Just bought some gummy. Do Trump. Okay, guys, can we use the same Solana wallet for all banter accounts? Yes, you can. Great. So here's what we're gonna do. Shots as Sheldon. No, it's not as Sheldon. It's like we're the best guys. I didn't have time. These guys think that they had all the time to collect hundreds and hundreds of people. That's fine. We're gonna try to beat them with 10, 15 people. That's what we're gonna do. And if it works, we're gonna go down in history as legend. And if it doesn't, then I'm just probably have to eat rotten tuna because I'm gonna take a bet with Ren, I think. So, should we take a bet with Ren? Should I just call a bet with Ren? He will. The problem is that they have like 200 and something people, 280 people in front runners as well. I don't know. We'll figure out. Let's jump into the charts, guys. That's what we're gonna talk about. Let's jump into the charts. So, first off, I think. Let me show you what I was expecting. So if you have followed the show all the way through, then you know I don't need tuna. I'm a vegetarian. I'm actually literally just thinking about it. I was thinking about it today to get some meat. I was talking to my cousin. I haven't eaten meat for like 14 years, 2010, 14 years, 13 and a half years. Anyway, low, high, market structure shift, 50 retrace, high. This is the 4-point structure. This is what we've been saying yesterday. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please go watch the show from yesterday. You've got this here, okay? Then we need the 5th leg down. And I thought this was not gonna be the 5th leg. I really thought. But unfortunately it is. Unfortunately, because I was telling you down here that if this is the 5th leg, when we made this market structure shift, I said that this could be our perfect entry. But I was pussy to take the entry because I thought we're gonna wick through here and go down to the breaker, okay? And then we started breaking out and everybody's getting very, very bullish, which is great, What did they say on the vote? Is there a new vote up? Do you want to join my team? Okay, yes, okay, cool. Okay. So, but we do have this liquidity built up, which we take, and I'm going to clear the chart now. So you see, I'm trying to clear the chart only when we are all together here. And we have the market structure shift. And the interesting part is that we do have the market structure break as well. Okay. So we have the market structure shift here. This is very important because this is the external structure, what I described, right? This is the external structure. This is what we're aiming for. For that to be achieved, we need to have a market structure shift, which we have here on the internal. We have a retrace, at least a 50 retrace, and then we have a market structure break. This is what I said. If we're able to close above 70,700 on the 4-hour, we are going to see a push. And that's what we see right now. And now I'm going to wait for everybody to smash the like button, and so we can get to 250 likes, and I can continue the trades that I'm going to take. You think I'm joking? I'm not. We need 20 more likes. The market is moving. It's a click of a button. It's literally, you know what? I'm going to like the show from my account here. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go and give the show some love. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to come in here. just gonna click on my YouTube, right? It's very simple. You just go on there, and it's going. You see? And I'm gonna smash the like button. That's it. I just had to smash it. It's no problem. You see? Easy it is. We are at 250. Let's get back to the show. So what I wanted to say is that, by the way, I give it up for you guys. It was good. So so what I'm thinking is the following. We have a market structure shift on the internal. We have a market structure break on the internal. We leave a bunch of fucking liquidity behind, but considering the good news, considering the job openings, considering the inflows, considering that selling may go away is done, considering that June is the third best month in election years for stocks. Absolutely crazy. You know what I mean? It's just, I do think that we can see a massive rally. And I don't want to miss it. So what I'm going to do, even though I do think we have liquidity here, and even though I think we should come and break below this level here and come back, or we could technically and should come back to the 65,000 region, if the next level, which is crucial is to break above 72,000 on the 4-hour break and hold above. Now, here is the reason why I'm not going to wait for that. Because if we do that, it's gonna skyrocket. It's gonna skyrocket. We're literally 3-4% from all-time highs. If we break above this level and create a market structure break after this massive, why is not market structure break? It's market structure break. After this whole move here, I do think that we are going to see a massive push. You won't have the opportunity to get in. So what I want to see is the following. I would like to see a retrace now. Now, if you follow this show, you know that I'm always trying to give you fish. I'm always trying to, and I always fuck this up. I always try to say that I'm trying to teach you how to fish, and I always say I only give you fish. So anyway, it doesn't matter. If you watch the show, you know what I'm talking about. And I'm talking about the fact that I don't just want to give you fish, but I want to teach you how to fish, okay? So the way to do what are you laughing at? Thanks for prepping some water for me here, by the way. Thanks, I appreciate it. No, okay, it's fine. Okay, so we have a market structure break, market structure break. So what I want to see is a pullback. Now, genuinely what I would do is I would pull from the bottom of the move, which would be down here, right? Sorry, down here. No, because we came back 50, market structure break. I would pull it from here, okay? But this has completed, although it wasn't broken above. So technically, I would do this, okay? If I do this and the market has to come back to 50% at some point before or after breaking this level, we are looking at around 69,000. The only problem is that I think the market is just so ready to go. It's so incredibly bullish that I don't think we're gonna come back to 69,000, and I don't want to risk it. So 69,000, this OB down here is definitely a buy area for me. Like if we come back here, it's a very strong buying opportunity. But I don't think we're gonna come back here. So where do we come back then? And my prediction is that so this is number one, and number two position is looking at the 15-minute OB down here. So these are the two regions, and let me just actually move this up nicely. So this is if we come back anywhere here, I want to buy in on Bitcoin and load up on some of the altcoins that we're going to look at. Guys, we have 340 people live. What was the max we had live? 381? I think it was 381. 330 people live. 341 people live. If we're going to get to 400 live, I'm going to do a $200 giveaway. If we are getting to 400 people live. So stay around and invite your friends, your neighbors, your cat, everybody log into from like 5 accounts, whatever that is. I'm going to give you $200. Anyway, so what I wanted to say is, if we see a pullback to the 70 sub 70,000 and above 68.5, it's a massive buy opportunity for me today. Okay, it's a massive buying opportunity for me today. So that's what I want to look at. I want to look at Bitcoin coming back a little bit. Maybe we will wick through. I don't know, but something will happen here, and then I want to see a manipulation down. Even if it's just like this, you know? And honestly, I'm not gonna wait for a market structure shift. I'm not gonna wait for a 15-minute. I will try to wait for a 5-minute, But I do think that anywhere here, getting in here, with placing your stop loss a little bit lower, maybe around here, the 68,146 on bluffing, but you know, it's a great opportunity. Okay, so I do think that this is going to be a great buying in. We are looking at 75 plus. We're looking at a 1 to 3, 1 to 5 hour trade. Again, try to take confirmations if you can on the 5 minute. 5 minute. And once you have that, you can enter. But anywhere sub, anywhere. I'm actually gonna put a line here, a horizontal red line. Anywhere below here is a great buying opportunity for today. And technically, I would wait for this, but I don't think if it's coming. I don't think if the 65 coming. If you're not able to close above, the 62,000 region, we might see this little retrace to the 65 region. If that comes, it will be very vicious. It will be very, very, very fast. The liquidity is built up literally just above the OB, so that would not be crazy. People will say, oh, this is the end and whatever. But I do think that it can be a very great opportunity to get in on a position. So this is my analysis on Bitcoin. Let me look at it again. I just want to think short term now. For short term, anything below 70 and above 68,500 is a great buy. If you can take a 5 minute confirmation, do that. But I will start layering it into the position around $7,000 and hope to get that position. If we push through here and close above this on the 4 hour, we close above 72,000. We're taking all-time highs very, very, very fast. I will consider getting into a position without a stop loss, just trying to ride the wave. Although if it's just a wick and not a close above on the 4 hour, we still can take the 65,000 region, which would be, you know, pretty bad for us. So that's what I'm looking at. Let's look at some Q&A, ladies and gentlemen, and then let me just talk to you guys. Let me see the questions. Let me see the thoughts, and then we go on to the market token request, and we will see. I will look at my list as well on the coins that I'm looking to trade. What do you think it will be the top high for BTC this bull run? 100K, 100 plus K. I do think we're gonna, if Trump wins, we can see 200,000 plus. If Trump loses, I think about 120, 140,000. I'm here for the giveaways. You're in a long prayer set now. Fefe, you've got a nice name. Thank you so much. Can you take a look at Theta for me? Not in the challenge. We'll of course look. No, guys, don't get me wrong. I'm definitely gonna bring you alpha and whatnot. So it's yeah, don't get me wrong. Thanks for reading DMs, much love always. Fefe, thoughts on TON and AR? We can look at it in a second. Thoughts on Sen? We can look at it in a second. I met the founder, Sebastian, the founder of Sandbox. Pretty cool dude on MemeCon. They're building something very interesting. Bitget is funded, ready to go. Mark, I'm so happy. Omnicat, meme coins update. Kaspa memes, good. Fefe.men, 1000x coins. Fefe, you are the king. You are the king. Marine 1705. Top 5 altcoins to invest in. I can't really give you top of my head, but I would look at memes. I would look at utility tokens. I would look at narratives. We need alpha now. That's what I've been doing the whole fucking time. Can you please check AI tech chart? We can. That's the I know what you're talking about. The Insomnia Man. Yeah, now I slept 7.5 hours, which is pretty cool. Five to the moon. Yes, LFGO. We're going bananas. Yes, took her a good buy at these levels. 100,000,000% not financial advice. When baked, soon. I mean, I'm baked already, but like baked is coming soon. No, I'm not baked actually. Or am I? I don't know. Am I baked? No, I'm not. All right, guys, let's go. What's for lunch? I haven't eaten any lunch today. I'm so fucking fat, guys. I'm telling you. Like I had, and it's not even funny. It's actually very sad. I looked at the vlog from MemeCon yesterday, and I was shocked. Like I looked at it and I had to call the videographer and say, "Is that how I look at real life?" And he was like, "Yeah, dude, I don't see any difference." And I'm like, I look like a fat, chubby kid, just came out of the candy store, and I have to do something about it. So I had 2 times in my life when I lost 20 kilos in 3 months. I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna go under 100. So we might do it together if you want, if you're up for the challenge. I'm doing fasting. I do 3-day fasting. I do that, but I haven't done it for a while. You know what I did instead? I got a chocolate and I ate it all in a day. Like a day in 3 minutes, bruv. 3 minutes. My dad is calling. Dad, I'm live. Okay, let's go back here. Let me look at my chart, tokens, and then you can let me know. You can let me know what you want me to look at. Let's look at SOL. Look, why? Because I don't have time. I'm gonna so dominate this competition. I'm gonna focus as well, big time. I'm gonna focus. Look at Sol. This is what I marked on the chart. I said it's gonna come back and show a market structure shift in a 4 hour. Look what it did. A market structure shift in a 4 hour. And what did it do then? It came back to the fucking beginning of the fair value gap. Look at it. This was the entry. This was the entry. Anyway, doesn't matter. We're waiting for 50% on this. We're waiting for 50% on this. 170, bargain. Bargain. Buy 170 on Sol, not financial buys. ETH building up massive liquidity. I do think that the possibility of this going down lower, targeting these regions down here is there. Possibly coming back to this 3,700-ish region. If it does come back, could be interesting. It's building up massive liquidity. 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗢𝗡𝗦. I'm actually gonna have a massive thread on 𝗕𝗘 coin, not this 𝗕𝗘, but the other 𝗕𝗘 with BASE.AI. They're building something absolutely incredible. They have something cool coming out as well. I'm gonna have a thread. Keep an eye on that. It's coming. So the same thing. Look, we do have a market structure shift. It's coming back. It's coming back. We do have another market. This was the entry. This was the entry. But this can also come a bit lower. This is not a bad trade actually. This is not a bad trade. The only thing I don't like is the liquidity, but it's not a bad trade. It's definitely not a bad trade. I don't like these relative equal lows. Like if we would come lower, I would take another entry here. I'm actually gonna put my alert. I'm not gonna get in here, but I'm gonna, if it comes to this, I will get in. You know what I hope is that we're gonna have a massive flush that I'm talking about down to the 65, literally 2 days after the competition, and everybody is long. Then we're gonna get such washed out, and then we can just come in with the longs. That's what I'm hoping. Fat. I know, bro. I know. That's what I'm saying. Oh yeah, you mean the chart? Okay, cool. Come on, guys. Okay. So we do have a massive pump retrace. It's so beautiful. Guys, if you come in here and if you have time, you're making so much money from these trades. I'm not even kidding. Like, I don't have time to monitor the charts like this, but I'm actually sad now. Like, you should monitor the charts. Like, I'm not even kidding. Look at this. Look at this. It's like absolutely gorgeous. It's like literally, it's like a textbook. It's a textbook chart. Comes back to the 1 hour POI. What is the 4 hour POI? It's textbook. It's literally textbook. Last bearish bullish candle, beginning of inefficiency, comes back, makes a strong market structure shift. This is the entry. Comes back 50%. This is the entry. We'll be printing dollars. You know what I need? I need this gun that you can load fake money in, and you can you buy one of those? Yeah. We should do that. Okay. Give it up for my cuz, eh? Show some love for cuz. We're gonna put up a vote. Let's put up a vote. I'm gonna put up a vote. I'm gonna put a vote here. Should we have a camera on cuz 2? Vote on this, guys. Vote on this. I want to know your thoughts. If we should have a camera on this cuz here. We could do like a whole, like we could have a camera up and then the whole studio is in and whatever. Just vote. It could be fun. It could be fun. 20 votes already. They want to see you. They want to see this stallion, this handsome stallion. Okay. Fat, great trade. Great trade. Again, like you could technically get in here. 2 big stop loss for me. But it's also great risk reward. It's actually not a bad trade. It's not a bad trade. I'm gonna wait to see what Bitcoin does. I'm gonna wait a little bit, possibly a little bit lower, but if Bitcoin plays ball, this will fly. This will literally fly. No questions. I'm gonna say this again. I know 350 people, which is absolutely fucking insane. 350 people watching live. What is happening? Like, I remember, like, how is this, like, I don't even know what to tell you. 350 people live. I was literally having second thoughts yesterday, and I was like, why would people watch this show, and does it make sense, and do we give any value? And I'm having a lot of fun, but like, yeah, I was just thinking like, you know, I was like, you know, it makes any sense, and then it's just so fucking nice, guys. It really is heartwarming to see 350 people watching this live. And there's no drop off. It's crazy. It's just absolutely insane. 319 likes. Absolutely insane. Absolutely fucking mind blowing, guys. Thank you so much. And also, for those of you out there who are just struggling and hustling, keep fucking pushing. 6 months ago, I've been streaming for 30 people. 30 people. And now we're here. So, anyway, INJ. Look at this. Again, we were waiting for the 50 here. It didn't come here. Look where the 50 came. Here. You would have gotten in here. You would have gotten stopped out. Or you have taken profits, right? So you would have gotten in here. This would have been the first trade. Stop loss below this level. You would have just a tiny stop here. Just a tiny stop. But probably would have gotten in on the V-shape recovery. Yeah, it's obvious hunt. You would have gotten in here. Anyway, and then we come down here. Look at this market structure shift. 1 hour, comes back 50. This was the entry. Cause I need you. I need you on the competition, and we need to, every chart that I analyze here, I need you to put an alert in, and we need to fucking pump these trades. Like we need to, I don't have time to monitor them, but we need to, we really need to be on top of this. We really need, look at this. This would have been an 80% trade as well in 10x. Yeah, we need to like really do this, and we need to have a Telegram, and I need to beat these guys. I need to be better than Ren.
We should make a list.
Yeah.
From every show and make a list to the trading view.
Yeah, we could do that. We could, yeah, and we could also like, you know what we could also do? We could also just like have the chart, and then people could get notified in Telegram when my chart goes off. That would be also, that's what we should do. So like if we have an alert, people who join in, they should get an alert when my chart. Signed it up. I have the Telegram guy who's developing the bot now. We could just talk to him. Okay. NFP. So on INJ as well, I'm waiting a little bit, waiting for the pullback. If the pullback comes, this could be an interesting area. Anywhere here, market structure shift on a 5-minute get in. Anywhere here, market structure shift on a 5-minute get in. If you can. NFP. I don't know what that is. And I don't know why it's here. Matisse. Okay, let's do some token requests. Let's do some token requests. Let me look at the chat, and then we do some token requests. GM just woke up after a nice lunch. Great. Cock. Gummy. What's the whole point? You having fun? So I didn't even read this. Please do SUI. We can look at it. Palusi, please. Send $200 giveaway in a competition. Invest the $200 in a competition. We can do that. Benji, ton, RNDR. We can look at it. We can look at it. Fish on ton. Bread, cake. Okay, you know people just want the charts. Let's do that. Let's not do this. People just want the charts. Let's do it. Degens. Brett. There's nothing to talk about Brett, guys. It's at 1 billion. We have to wait for it to cool down or just carry. Look at this. This is literally what I said. This is literally what I said not to get in. It had a 50% dump. Everybody was long in here. Everybody was long in here. Oh, it went to 1 billion. Bam. Now it's back. You would only be down like 20%. But I wouldn't, it's too much. I wouldn't get in Brett now. There's so many better plays. LFGO, I have to give a shout out to these guys. I mean, come on. I really, like, they are really good. And they are hustlers. And it's really, they're good. LFGO. I still don't own any tokens. I should buy. They had to change the logo. Ren is buying, market buying the tokens. They're fun. They're doing this. And I'm into Lego. 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙. And this is me. Shout out to these guys. Or is it Ren? Is this Ren or me? This does look like Ren. It actually does look like me. But it does look like me as well. I look like, this is Ren. Is this Ren? I don't know. I have the one with the what is it, with the watch, and shout out to these guys. Community takeover. They're really onto stuff. Really good. Let's look at the chart. GUMMY doesn't give a. $130 votes. You should have a camera on you. We should do that. And let's do one, guys. It's just literally, I just really want. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a Q&A, and I really genuinely want to know. And if you don't want to answer, fine. But like, why do you watch my show? I just wanna. You can reply with the Q&A. If you do that, I'd really be grateful. I just want to know why you watch the show. But other than that, guys, I just wanna again, emphasize one more time. If you're a trader who watches the shows and whatever, you don't have to watch the shows necessarily, but you have to be a good trader. You have to know how to trade. You have to be at least break even. I will trust your words, you know. I will look into a little bit, but if you are, please send me a DM. I want you on my team on the Bitget competition. We don't have time. I have 1 day to recruit people, so I'm not going to go on the quantity. I'm going to go on to the quality, okay? I want you guys to like send me a DM, leave a comment, whatever that is. LFGO chart looks very, very good. Market, Rennie's buying. You know, I actually think that it's running because of the news and because of the backing from Banter. I do think that it will have, or it can have a correction. So watch out buying up here. But if you're buying for long term, I genuinely think this can go to at least 100, 200 million. They have everything it takes. They have the community. They are funny. It's great. So I think for a long term, it's a good buy, but don't be surprised if it pulls back like, I don't know, pulls back 50%. Let's look at coins. What coins you guys want? 𝗕𝗘𝗘𝗦. Okay, let's look at 𝗕𝗘𝗘𝗦. Look at this. I'm missing all the trades. I'm literally missing my own trades because I don't have time to trade. Look at this as well. 1 to 3 hour trade. I gave all this live. I said it's gonna come back here. Apparently, I don't know, it did. I'm missing all these trades because I just don't have time. We have to figure out a mechanism where I can participate in my own trades. That would be pretty cool. Okay. He's perfect. Look at this. Yeah, but it was all the liquidity taken. Massive stop loss. If you can stomach this stop loss, this is not a bad trade. This is not a bad trade. Relative equals highs up. It comes back 50 to the discount on the daily. One to 3 RR. Not a bad trade, but make sure you have proper risk management. Someone is saying 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙 all-time high. Let's look at 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙. Did we get this trade? No, it didn't come back. Missed it by what? 0.5%. But it came again. This is also the thing. Look at this. So I said, what did I say here? It was yesterday. Was it yesterday? It was literally yesterday on the show. I said it was gonna come back to the OB. I marked this level. Look at this. It literally touched onto this. And look what it did on the 5 minute. A market structure shift. Even if you didn't take this, even if you took the 15-minute level, look at this. It makes a market structure shift and then comes back 50. If you have time and if you're watching my shows, you are making fucking money. I'm telling you. Like I don't even know why I don't have time to take these trades. Look at this. Like I literally explained this on the show the other day. I said it was gonna come back to the OB, it's gonna make a market structure shift and then move on from there. I was expecting it to come a little bit lower, apparently. But it comes back to the box, market structure shift and moves on. Before the competition, we need to be on top of things. Okay, but it's coming back nicely now. 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙 all-time high. Because of the news and because of the smart contracts being deployed on 𝗕𝗘𝗢, I don't think that this will slow down. I actually think it will play very, very nicely. So if you see a 3-minute market structure shift anywhere down here, you can get in. You can get in. Easy, easy. Look at the chat. Rennie's having a headache over sell. We were talking yesterday. I was like, these guys are bankrupting me, but it's fine. It's fine. He's gonna buy 50% market. Actually, he didn't say these guys are bankrupting me. You know what he said? These guys are bankrupting me. Like I have this LFGO and they said I'm gonna do it on the show, and I didn't do it on the show because they said they have to, and now I have to buy it, bro. These guys are bankrupting me. This is the strongest community I've ever seen. This is what he said. But you know, that's what it is. But he's the man of his word, so he's gonna buy 50%. So you still have time to send it. He's gonna buy it today on the show, so you still have time to send some to his wallet. SUI. Let's look at SUI here. SUI for my Portuguese friends. That was funny, guys. Okay, let's look at this. Oh no! Did we mark this level? Yes, we did. I think we took this trade live, and I think we got out of it because we didn't break above here. We took this trade together. So this huge motherfucking stop loss doesn't matter. Look at this. It's just we have to, like, I don't even know why I'm not focusing on this more. I just don't. I know why, because I don't have time, but I have to have time. Like, it's so weird because in the bear market when I wasn't doing shows, I was trading, and I was still back and forth. But it was much. If you're not in the market, you cannot really trade. Like, you can't follow the trade if you're not in the market. And if you are being a YouTuber, you're being a dad, you're being a partner, you're running a business, you're trying to do this and this and this and this and this, and at the same time, it's just you just don't have time to monitor the markets. And when you have time and you're sitting there, literally, if you're just coming to the shows, I promise you're making money, because you just literally have to follow what I say, and you have to be available at all times. That's just what it is. And if you are making money. Like, it's just that simple. Anyway, so it has this market structure shift, come back 50, done. This is where the market structure shift happens, here. Then you're waiting for the 50. The 50 doesn't come until here. This is your entry. This is what I always say. We have a market structure shift here. There is the actual market structure shift happening, here. This is where the market structure shift happened. This is where we broke above the previous structural high. This is the structural high that caused the dump right into the POI. Where is the market structure shift? Here. What does it have to do? Has to come back 50. Came back 50. This is your entry. I always say that. You wait for a market structure shift in the POI, then you wait for and I think this was, yes, look at this. This was a 4-hour 50 retrace. Yeah, we can't stop, we have to stop missing out these trades. Anyway, that's about SUI. What are we waiting for now? I'm waiting for the 50. Like, I need some coins to. I needed to come back a bit. I'm still waiting whether we're gonna see a dump on Bitcoin. Is this the Bitcoin chart? Yeah, I think we're gonna see. I think we're gonna start building up liquidity. Come to daddy. Okay. So I'm waiting for anything between 1.05. Great buy. Theta, someone was asking Theta before, so it came back 50. Show the market structure shift again. This is another trade that we just fucking, I don't know. It's a little bit sad now for me. 370 people live. Guys, do not fucking go anywhere. Don't go, don't move. I'll tell you why. The most people we had alive is 381. If we can go above 400 people live now, I'm gonna give away, you know what? I'm gonna give away $300 right now, live. If we go above 400 live views. But I have to go, actually. It's like already 3 minutes till the show is going on for 1 hour.
Look at the Q&A.
Look at the Q&A. Okay, we're gonna look at the Q&A, but don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. And if you're new to here, just subscribe to the channel. We're gonna give away $120,000 next week, live. And it's just cool being here, it's just great alpha. So I think, or fun, whatever you want to do, just, don't go anywhere. We need to break this. It's like when Gustavo was saying he had a very cool, I was laughing my ass off when he was talking about Welsh. He had like 1,000 followers and he was like, guys, we don't need GDers. We only need people to buy Welsh and hold. And if you want to sell, well, fuck you. It's the same thing. So I only need people who join the stream and don't leave. So just don't leave until we get 400 people. So we can give away $300. Okay? That's what we need. We have 370 people live. Do not leave. Do not leave. I'm gonna read the Q&A. There is nobody answered in the Q&A. Oh, bunch of questions, bunch of answers. I want to learn to trade better. Okay, great. To clarify some SMC concepts pertaining to crypto. Okay, pertaining to crypto. Because I want to learn from you how to day trade. Nice. You look Chad, man. Thanks. Are you coming for me? Okay, here for the alpha. Love your energy, love your charts. You are genuine. Thank you. Knowledge is power. Looking for more insights for different traders. You are a good, funny man. Good. Because you are so funny and the best. Thank you. I trust your wisdom and opinion. Thanks. Very comprehensive videos, good energy, and you actually read the chat. Nice. Because you seem authentic and engage with your community. TVR, I see you more and more here. That's pretty cool. Because your thoughts and analytics are amazing. Whole Band to Fam is amazing, and thank you to be a part of the fam. Band to Fam is the best community on the world. Great energy, and I learned a lot about crypto. View Alpha is different strategy. I want to trade like FETCH. Great. Your knowledge is refreshing and find the simplicity in the MSS and the 50% FIP so beneficial. You're down to earth, funny, and good bloke. Thank you. I enjoy it. Learn from you always. I also want to continue to support your channel. Keep going, bruv. Because I want to make life-changing money. Great. I want to be good at winning trades because I'm the breadwinner for the family. Now my sister is sick, so is my grandma. I have to have some cash for the bills and all. Great, but not the best thing to do to go to trading, guys. I'm telling you, if you're in a bad situation, trading is not the way out. I'm telling you. You gotta be because you gotta be there in your mind. If you're in a bad situation, it will be very difficult to become professional and become profitable. The learning experience and sense of humor. Thank you. But mostly the sense of humor, I guess, right? Today narratives, charts, strategies, 24/7 live trading on YouTube. Other. I like your style of trading with. What is other? What is other? It's like other. Okay. I like your style of trading with the 50% retrace and more of focus on traders versus market maker algorithms. Nate, it's help support the community looking to learn your strategy. Great, because always fun interacting with you and the entries we get. You doing great. Thank you. What's the title of the show where you explain the 50% retracement? I don't know, but I'm gonna have a complete course. It's coming. Okay. Let's go giveaway. Love the show from the Philippines. I love you, Philippines. What to learn from you. Trading content is great. Here for Alpha, I love to have some easy time here. Great TA. I like to have some easy time here. That's great. Great TA. Love your energy. Great content, news, and trading Alpha. Good laughs as well. Keep it up. Great. Take fish. I don't dare to open this link. Should we open this link? What is this? Are you such a 𝗕𝗘𝗘𝗢𝗙 cute fat panda? Why are you such a 𝗕𝗘𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙 cute fat panda? I don't know if I'm happy about this, but you sexy boy. Okay, now, okay, this getting to be a 18 plus thing. I hope this is not someone.
People. As the adage says, you give a poor man a fish and you feed him for a day. You teach him to fish. You give him. No.
I think we're gonna get a copyright strike for this, but it's fine.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Tate for
I saw this as well. Did you see this? Did you guys see this? The show ended, guys. So thanks for being here. If you want to stay for the fun, did you guys see this? This is absolutely insane. Did you see this? So this guy, man with suspended license, shocks judge after joining court Zoom call while driving. So the guy is joining because of some driving, whatever he did, and he's joining the court ruling while he's driving.
who should be present in Zoom.
Look at this dude.
Mr. Harris, are you driving?
Actually, I'm pulling into my doctor's office, actually. So just give me 1 second. I'm parking right now.
Look at the judge. He's like, hey. Look at the judge. He's like, fuck this. He's like,
stationary?
You stationary?
I'm pulling in right now at this second. Yes, I am.
All right.
He thinks he's
what are we doing?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting an adjournment in this matter, up possibly 2 to 4 weeks if the court would allow.
So maybe I don't understand something. This is a driving while license suspended?
That is correct, Your Honor.
And he was just
Look
driving.
at the dude. Look at the dude.
And he didn't have a license.
Oh.
That is with the charges, Your Honor, yes.
No, I'm looking at
Yes.
his record. He doesn't have a license. He's suspended and he's just driving.
That is correct, Your Honor.
He's like, do you see any issue with that? Look at the ruling.
I don't even know why he would do that. So defendant's bond is revoked in this matter. Defendant is to turn himself into the Washington County Jail by 6 p.m. today. Failure to turn himself in will result in a bench warrant with no bond.
Done. Oh, bruv. Okay, that was good. That was a good laugh. Okay. So I appreciate all of you. And I have one more question. I see we had 0 drop-off, basically. So I have one more question. I have one more. You know what we could do? We could just sit here and watch shows all day. I have one more question for you guys. One more question. And that will be, I forgot what the question was. What was the question? Oh, man. I wanted to ask about like, what was the previous question?
Why are they watching the show?
Why are they watching the show? Exactly. I wanted to ask, are you getting what you are coming for? Like, are you getting the value that you are expecting from the channel? Are you getting the value that you are coming for to the shows? Please be brutally honest. Like, we're really just considering closing down the whole channel, you know, and like, I just want to know if, no, I'm just joking, we're not closing down the channel, but I just want to know, like, I really want to know. We have to make an 8-hour-long show. Easy, easy. And I can, like, what I want to do, we can do a StreamYard show and just bring you guys on. Like, we can literally just have a chatting show and just do it live. And Fefe is baked. I think that means begged.
Do it that in Discord as well.
Okay. Oh, let's do it in StreamYard. I keep getting confused which what are valid MSSs. Yeah, we can talk about it. Do you like fish? I am vegetarian. That's the question. And it's not like a Vogue shit, like I'm vegetarian, bitch. I've been vegetarian before vegetarian was trendy. I'm vegetarian for 14 years now. I've been vegan for 2 years. So yeah, just so we're clear, okay? Would love to join your team, but already have Bitget. But you can, it's not a problem. You can have a Bitget account. You can have a Bitget account, it doesn't matter. You just have to join the team. But I want you to send me a DM. If you're a good trader, send me a DM. I need the best of the best. And the reason why I need the best of the best, because we don't have time. I didn't have time. These guys were running ahead, collecting all the people. I don't have time to start getting all the people in. So you get high before the show always. No, I'm actually not. But we could do that sometimes. Lastly, can you interpret the chart of AI tech and your opinion on the next steps we can do? Look at Fox made. Folks, damn, congrats, thanks. I don't know what. We should bring more analysts in. Your show is great, funny, and helpful, but we should teach more fish and alpha about tea. Yes, your stream pump cake, I guess. I don't even know. Are we talking about pancake swap? Like, is that the cake that we're talking about? What is everybody's, what am I missing here? Like, not serious, what am I missing here? What cake? Everybody's saying cake. Can someone please just explain to me what is cake? Like, why people are going all about cake? I think it's like, it must be like a meme coin or something. Please don't shut down. You're the easiest and funniest to follow from Banter. Thank you so much. I'm here from 3K. I have family now. Remember me in the next giveaway, greedy. Oh, Eduardo Oliveira, I will take a note to remember you in the next giveaway. What's the joke? My first live. Give it up for Gonzo! His first live. Okay, I think I'm going full retard now, so we gotta cut the live. Gummy Cake Moo. Cake BNB Crypto. Yeah, is that the cake, the pancake swap? I'm watching your show because it's only thing on you at the retirement home. I'm watching your show because it's the only thing on you at the retirement home. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Cake is a token for pancakes. So why is everybody coming here and spamming cake? Why? I don't understand. But is it really? Is it me? I don't understand. What the fuck are you talking about? Oh, very important. I didn't bring up something that I saw. Someone ping me with it. Look at this shit. You will lose your mind. Look at this shit. Very important, guys. That's not the one. Look at this. It's not even a joke. So someone sent this to me. I didn't even tell this to you. Someone sent it to me about 20, 30 minutes ago before the show. This is an Instagram ad. You see it up here. It says sponsored. Right here. It says sponsored. This is an Instagram ad. Someone took one of my streams. The AI generated my voice to sell a trading bot, and they advertise that on Instagram. So watch out, guys. It's a fucking scam, okay? It's a scam. So it's a scam. So please, please, please watch out. It's a complete scam. I'm not selling anything, and definitely not selling it like this. And always make sure to do your own due diligence. There are a bunch of scammers on Twitter and apparently on Instagram and everywhere. So please, please, please just pay attention. It's not worth it. And I want to give a huge shout out. It's also this. I'm just seeing that she's here in the chat. I want to tell you something, guys, and it's just not even a joke. So here is this message that I got from someone that I'm going to bring up now in the comments. But I wanted to share something with you years ago. Whatever. Look through this post. The whole reason is that this lady was sleeping 4 hours a night for 7 years. And one day she woke up. One day my body gave out and I couldn't get out of bed. Later I was diagnosed with the rare and aggressive cancer. And then you remind me of younger self, and it pains me to hear how tired you are. Take good care of yourself and don't take your body or health for granted. And maybe you don't. I'm out of line, but I just felt compelled to reach out. I genuinely think this message saved me. I slept 7.5 hours yesterday. I committed to start working out, committed eating healthy, committed, when I commit, I do it. I do it. And I'm gonna do it. So thank you so much. She is here in the chat saying compound, please. I don't know if that's a token or what you mean by compound, please, but huge shout out to you. Thank you so much for leaving this DM. I really think it saved me. I really think it saved, I don't know if it saved my life, but it was a wake-up call for me. I knew I was not doing something right, and yeah, so so thank you so much. Love the energy, the laughs, and of course your TA is awesome. I love you back. Your sleep is so important. Yes. Guys, I want you to leave your comments now if you like this show or not. One more thing, what I saw, one more thing. 134 votes and 90% votes, yes, you are getting what you're coming for. The rest 10%, I genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, can say, don't come. Don't come. You know what? Check this. I'm gonna show you something. For the 10% who voted no, this is what I sent you.
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come.
And that's me. Okay? So I genuinely, if you're not getting value, just don't come. Do not come. Okay? Listen to this not very smart lady, but listen to her. Okay? Because we're just wasting each other's times. Guys, other than that, please. We have 336 people watching and 400 likes. Fucking incredible. Guys, thank you so much for watching, for being here. Truly appreciate you. Make sure to stay tuned. Follow me on X. We're gonna have some great entries. I do think Bitcoin is coming lower to our entry. I see the chart here. Guys, thanks for being here. Tomorrow there is no show. Fuck, I have to do a show tomorrow. I have to. I can't do this. We have the competition and everything starting. If you want to be on the competition, DM me or leave a comment or whatever. DM me on Twitter. And yeah, tomorrow I will try to do a show. It's gonna be earlier. I have a lot of shit to do. Maybe we do a show at 10 a.m. I don't know. Maybe we do a show tomorrow early. But maybe there will be no show. So follow me on Twitter. Thank you so much, guys. Truly appreciate you. Much love. Thanks for being here. And I believe I will see you. Let's fuck this up, guys. Anyway, thanks. See you tomorrow. See you in the next one. Ciao.